So once you pay the bank and you get the car back, then we'll release it to you. You're just gonna call me at this number.
Okay.
And then I'll waive the storage fees for you. There is some fees that you're gonna pay, but you already saved $300 just by taking the stuff out of the car and giving me the keys. Okay.
Right.
And I'm so
This is
sorry that I
amazing.
came and woke you up, but I don't like leaving with people's properties. So.
Okay, and that's very amazing because other people will just take it.
Most repo companies, well, it's
So-
extra money for them.
Yes.
So.
Well, I appreciate you. It's not your fault. It's not the company's fault. It's totally mine with the procrastination. And people need to understand when it's your fault, you kind of just got to get it together. Because
Yes.
there's nothing anyone can do. But I totally get it. And you're dope. So if you were
Thank
mean,
you.
I would be like, but other people might think you mean, but I don't.
No,
Look, I don't fit that.
I try and be as nice as I possibly can because people are going through hardship. Things are just getting worse right now, and I don't feel I should have to put people down even further when they're already struggling.
Already struggling.
That's why
the
I
whole
come
thing.
and knock. If you're mad because it's so early,
Right.
you'll get over it once you realize how much fees you save.
Yeah, I'm saving.
Yeah,
Right. And
so-
at the end of the day, either way it goes, I was going to have to pay for it if I was going to keep my car.
Exactly.
So
But-
it's kind of on me. But
I'll do whatever I
I am
can
gonna
to
cry.
help. No, don't
just
cry.
kidding.
Please don't cry.
I'm okay.
So, because then
thanks
you
so
make
much.
me cry.
I
Even though I
know.
have no makeup on,
I-
but that's it. So, but yeah, I'm
will.
sorry. And tell your mom I'm sorry for waking you guys up.
Of
so
course,
early.
I know. She was just like, was this a joke? We really literally thought that my brother was like playing. But it's okay. It happens. It's life. I appreciate you so
You're
much.
so
for
welcome,
service.
Miss Priya. You have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you so much.